So let me guess. You put your phone away, got your book ready, and are really, really motivated to start the study session. But 5 minutes in, and now you are staring at the wall, totally zoned out from your study and in your daydreaming. If this is you, then you are not alone. And don't worry, in today's video, I will give you 7 proven tips that will help you to stay focused without daydreaming, without zoning out. Tip number 3 and 5, they are the game changers. So make sure to stick till the end. So let's start. The first tip is write it down. So when you are studying and you start to thinking about or overthinking about something or start to daydreaming, then keep a diary and write that thing into the notebook or the diary. Make sure to write the time or the thing that you wanted to think about and do it later on. The next step is set a timer. Now, timers are your best friend when it comes to focus. So, what you should do is set a timer for the exact time that you know you can focus. Or if you do not know about it, then start a stopwatch. Then start to studying, and whenever you feel distracted, stop that watch. Now, this is the time you can focus. For most of the people, it may be around 10 to 30 minutes. Now, what you should do is let's say that your focus time is about 14 minutes. Now set a timer for 14 minutes and start doing a work that can be completed in 14 minutes. You can further on increase this time day by day. And when I first started doing this, my focus time was only 15 minutes, but now I can focus up to like 90 minutes. So yeah, it is a progress. So the next thing is use a study with me video. Now, if you're someone who struggles to study alone for a longer period of time, then you can use a study with me video of others. Go to YouTube and search for study with me videos, and there are a bunch of options. Now, seeing other people study can also motivate you to study for that period of time. For pro tip, use the video or go to the video that matches your study durations, like 1 hour, 2 hour, or 3 hour. I've also made one study with me video of 2 hours, so you can check it out. The link will be in the description. Now, if you do not want to use a study with me video, you can also use different apps like Forest. Forest is the best. I have always used Forest during my entrance preparation time and I still use it. It actually motivates me to like grow the plants, and yeah, it's the plants are also very pretty. The next tip is scribble down freely. So when you are in a long lecture where the professor is just saying and giving lectures long, it is pretty boring, not gonna lie. And it is very much difficult to focus, and it is very easy to be zoned out. So for a quick fix, what you can do is start scribbling. Doesn't matter what it is, just keep a blank piece of paper and write anything that comes to your mind. Make, maybe you can make drawings or do anything, and if nothing still comes to your mind, just start making lines or anything. This will keep your brain engaged and your hands are busy, so you're more active and more present to the situation. Now this is my ultimate focus hack. It is to record myself while I study. So how does it help is first of all, I cannot use my phone because it is on recording mode. Make sure to record a time lapse, not a whole video, because it will take too much storage and a time lapse is much better. So first of all, I cannot use my phone because it is on recording mode. Second is when I'm on camera, or I think it is for most of the people, is that when we are on camera, we are more aware of ourselves and we are trying to act more better, so we are less likely to procrastinate or less likely to daydream, zone out, because it is just embarrassing if we see our video and we are just doing bunch of other stuffs instead of studying. And the best thing is at the end you will get this most satisfying video of yourself doing the work or doing the study, and it is very fun, very entertaining and motivating to watch it. Now, let's make studying fun. Prepare a zoning out survival kit to tackle the distractions head on. Include things like a water bottle, your favorite snack, a stress ball, or a small toy. And every time you feel like your focus is just slipping, take a sip of water. Munch on that bite. Play with the stress ball for a few seconds. These tiny actions snap you out of the zoning spiral and helps you reset your focus. Plus, who doesn't love a little sweet snack? So, if you still feel like your brain starts to wander, I think you need to change your environment. You can go to a different spot in your room, change the study table, or just head to the library. Change the environment can refresh your mind and helps you regain focus. Just make sure that your new spot isn't full of distractions. Even lighting a candle or switching to natural light can make a big difference. You see, little changes can do wonders for you or your focus.
Now let's summarize. Tip number one, write it down. Tip number two, set a timer. Tip number three, use a study with me video. Tip number four, scribble down freely. Tip number five, record yourself while studying. Tip six, prepare a zoning out survival kit. Tip number seven, change your environment.
So there you have it. 7 focus hacks to stop zoning out while studying. So which one are going to try first? Let me know in the comments below and I will love to hear what works for you. So if you are looking for even more ways to help you in time management, then you can check out my video here. And don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll never miss an upload. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in next video. Bye.